English is full of wild animals, not just in the jungle, but in its idioms. Today, we'll unlock 30 animal idioms that make your English natural, fun, and unforgettable. Stick around, testing you with quick quizzes along the way. Ready to roar into it? Let's go. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret. Example: Priya let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Curiosity killed the cat. Being too curious can cause trouble. Example: Don't ask too many questions. Curiosity killed the cat. Want a second example? Here's one more for you. When Tom kept sneaking around his boss's office to find out about the confidential project, a colleague warned him. Curiosity killed the cat. Fight like cats and dogs. Argue fiercely. Example: The siblings fight like cats and dogs over the TV remote. It's raining cats and dogs. Heavy rain. Example: It's raining cats and dogs, so bring an umbrella. Top dog: The most important or powerful person. Example: After the promotion, she became the top dog in the office. Cats and dogs aren't just pets. They've clawed their way into English idioms too. We've had our fill of cats and dogs for now. Kill two birds with one stone. Achieve two things at once. Example: I killed two birds with one stone by jogging to the store. Want a second example? Here's one more for you. By cycling to work, James kills two birds with one stone. He saves money on gas and gets his daily exercise. Bird's eye view, a high or overall perspective. Example: From the mountaintop, we had a bird's eye view of the valley. Here's a bonus example to make it even clearer. During the presentation, the consultant gave the board a bird's eye view of the company's 5-year growth strategy instead of diving into small details. Eagle eye, sharp observation. Example: The teacher spotted the mistake with her eagle eye. Sometimes one example isn't enough, so here's a bonus one. The editor has an eagle eye. She spotted 3 tiny mistakes in the manuscript that everyone else missed. A little bird told me, knowing something without naming the source. Example: A little bird told me you're getting married soon. Night owl, a person who stays up late. Example: She's a night owl who studies past midnight. Having flown with the birds, it's time to venture deeper into the jungle of idioms. The lion's share, the biggest portion. Example: The boss took the lion's share of the profits. A paper tiger, something that looks threatening but is weak. Example: The enemy army turned out to be a paper tiger. Another example: The new law was announced with great fanfare, but without proper enforcement, it turned out to be a paper tiger. Monkey business, mischievous or dishonest behavior. Example: The teacher warned the students to stop the monkey business. Want a second example? Here's one more for you. The manager warned the employees that any monkey business with the company's finances would lead to serious consequences. Hold your horses. Wait, be patient. Example: Hold your horses. The show hasn't started yet. Another example: I know you're excited to open your birthday presents, but hold your horses until everyone arrives. Like a bull in a china shop, clumsy and careless. Example: He barged into the meeting like a bull in a china shop. Double dose. 2 examples so you never forget this idiom. When Jake tried to fix the antique clock, he was like a bull in a china shop. He ended up breaking 2 more fragile pieces on the shelf. Which idiom describes something that seems strong but is weak? A. Lion's share. B. Paper tiger. C. Bull in a china shop. Cash cow, a steady source of profit. Example: The iPhone is Apple's cash cow. Let's look at another example, just to see this idiom in action one more time. The theme park's roller coaster is a real cash cow. It attracts thousands of visitors every summer and covers most of the park's expenses. Black sheep of the family, the odd or unwanted one. Example: He's the black sheep because he chose art instead of business. Chicken out. back out due to fear. Example, she wanted to skydive but chickened out at the last minute. Pig out, eat too much. Example, we pigged out on pizza at the party. Work like a horse, work very hard. Example, he worked like a horse to finish the project on time. What is the answer for the last quiz? The answer is B, paper tiger. Easy, right? A big fish in a small pond. Important in a small group. Example, he's a big fish in his small town company. Like a fish out of water. Uncomfortable in a new situation. Example, she felt like a fish out of water on her first day at work. Another example, when Raj attended his first ballet class, he felt like a fish out of water among the graceful dancers. Something smells fishy, something suspicious. Example, his excuse for being late smells fishy, cold fish. An unfriendly person. Example, he's a bit of a cold fish, hard to talk to. Plenty of fish in the sea, more opportunities, especially in love. Example, don't be sad, there are plenty of fish in the sea. Which idiom means suspicious? A, fish out of water. B, something smells fishy. C, cold fish. Busy as a bee, very hardworking. Example, she's been busy as a bee preparing for exams. A fly on the wall, secretly observing. Example, I'd love to be a fly on the wall in that meeting. Ants in your pants, too restless. Example, the kids had ants in their pants before the trip. Here's a bonus example to make it even clearer. Before her big job interview, Maria had ants in her pants. She kept pacing the room and checking her watch every minute. To worm your way in, sneak into favor or influence. Example, he wormed his way into the manager's trust. Here's a bonus one. She wormed her way into the exclusive club by pretending to be friends with the members. Like water off a duck's back. Criticism that has no effect. Example, the insults rolled off her like water off a duck's back. Double dose. 2 examples so you never forget this idiom. Here you go. People criticized her new business idea, but she let it roll off like water off a duck's back and kept moving forward. What is the answer for last quiz? If you said B, something smells fishy, you nailed it. We've unleashed cats, dogs, lions, birds, fish, and even tiny ants, all hidden in 30 idioms. Use them, and your English will sound more natural and colorful than ever. If you enjoyed this jungle of idioms, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next adventure. 30 weather idioms that will blow your mind. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which idiom today was your favorite?